Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel, everybody. You know us by now. We are the Dividend Diplomats, everybody. We're going to talk to you today about 7 big dividend increases that happened during the eventful week of March 6, 2023.
That's right, guys. And let's just say Silicon Valley did not increase their dividend, to say it the least. But yeah, we got a juicy, jam-packed field of dividend stocks, increasing your passive income, as Bert said, guys, finishing off the week of March 10th. As we're sitting here on a Sunday, ready to enter the week of March 13th. A lot of turbulence in the market, but the dividends keep flowing, baby.
That's right. That's why we love building our dividend income stream. It grows without lifting a finger, and that's what happened with each one of these 7. We're going to jump right in here. There are a lot of tech companies that did it, and there was one company that we're going to feature that increased their dividend over 100%. You're not going to want to miss that one, everybody.
Well, guys, before we dive in, smash the heck out of that subscribe button. Let's boost this up. Let's get a thumbs up on this video, guys. Let's make some freaking noise for the investing community, because it's not about time in the market. It's about time in the market. And the time in the market is rewarding us dividend investors.
I'm taking number 1 here, Lanny, because this is the stock I have been talking about. I've been buying this stock. I've been tweeting about it. It's been on my watch list. Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. I knew they were going to announce their dividend. I thought it was in April. It was not even on my radar that this was coming in at the beginning of March, which is shame on me, everybody. Shame on me. Qualcomm was close to becoming a dividend aristocrat. They were going to do it this decade. And they always had like a kind of Johnson & Johnson high average single digit dividend growth mark. So that's kind of where my expectation was. Not expecting them to blow it out of the water. And that's not what they did. They kept it consistent. They stayed and featured a consistent dividend increase. They increased that quarterly dividend from 75 cents to 80 cents, or a 6.7% increase that jumped their yield up to 2.6%.
Real solid, consistent dividend increase for Qualcomm. Again, they're increasing their dividend as opposed to cutting their dividend right now in this space. That's huge, guys. You guys own Qualcomm. Congratulations, Bert. Congrats. They're 20 years now of increasing dividends. The proof is in the pudding.
This one's you, Lanny. You're number 2, because this one's your portfolio, right? This one's in either yours or your wife's. I can't remember which one.
Yeah, my wife owns this tech company. Shout out to Larry Ellison with Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL, guys. And they went from 32 cents per share per quarter to 40 cents per share per quarter. A 25% banger, again, yielding just under 2%, but you got to appreciate a nice 25% increase.
Yeah, you live with an under 2% yield when you have a 25%. And so that's what you want to see. Low yield, high growth rate. Beautiful, nice job for your wife, Lanny. That is huge. That is freaking huge.
And to give a good example, because again, we talked about this on an earlier video, I think it was earlier this year, on yield on cost. So my wife's yield on cost now is well over 3% on Oracle. Again, it's about 3.05%. So in just a few years of owning Oracle, her investment is now yielding over 3%.
Beautiful. Let's move into stock number 3, American Express, ticker symbol AXP. This was another large dividend increase here. They had announced that they increased that quarterly dividend from 52 cents to 60 cents. Get that calculator out, everybody. That's a 15.4% dividend increase there. So another huge double-digit increase for the credit card company. And yeah, I mean, Amex, more swipes right now. Credit card debt continues to soar for everybody. So they're getting a lot of usage, a lot of fees, getting some loans on their books. So a lot of good things happening for Amex. They rewarded shareholders accordingly. Their yield, similar to what you said with Oracle, their yield's not that high. It's only 1.45%. But again, yield 1.45%, 15.4% dividend growth rate. That's what you want to see.
That's what you want to see. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So let's jump into dividend increase number 4. We're going to slide out of the tech space, the credit card space. We're going to get into the defensive space here. A dividend aristocrat by nature here. Bert owns them. I own them. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, always battling the Lockheed Martins and other companies for those government contracts here. and they actually had a steady dividend increase of 4.8%, going from $1.26 to $1.32, yielding almost 2.4% and almost hitting that 30-year dividend streak.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It's always nice when an aristocrat can just jump up there on the list. I'm happy. We invested in what, in 2020, was it 2019, 2020, further back, keep calling it backward. But hey, that's why you buy great companies. They increase their dividends slowly over time. Sure, this wasn't the flashy double-digit one like Oracle and American Express, but General Dynamics still delivered some strong results. That's what it's all about.
Exactly, Bert. Now, Bert, you want to take over number 5, because I think you teased this here in the beginning of the video.
I did. We got here around Dick's Sporting Goods, ticker symbol DKS. Whew. I mean, let's just sit down here for a second, Laney. Their previous quarterly dividend was 49 cents. New quarterly dividend, $1. That's a 105% dividend increase right there. Just a small dividend increase, just a small dividend increase.
People, it's basketball season. People are buying a lot of shoes right now.
Yeah,
that's one heck of an increase, and they've been bringing back that dividend from when the pandemic kind of had a little bit of a little bit of change during that time, a little bit of a slower period on the dividend standpoint. But man, Dick's is coming back stronger than ever.
Yeah, their yield's 2.73% now. So talk about that dividend growth factor. 2.7 yield, 105% dividend growth rate. It's what you want to see. But no, I mean, they're benefiting heavily. People are getting back out with COVID, much more in back of people's minds now. People are getting back to all the sporting activities. They're getting back to all the outdoor activities, all the stuff that they didn't do before. They're doing it now. So of course they're going to benefit and juice up that dividend for everybody.
It's pretty interesting because I can't remember the last time I stepped foot into a Dick's Sporting Goods.
Yeah, me neither. It's been a long time.
Well, I mean, hey, somebody must be buying them. Hey, if you guys own Dick's Sporting Goods stock, let us know in the comments. I have not met one person that owns them.
Yeah, me neither. Yeah, let us know. That'll be interesting to see. Someone had to benefit from this. There has to at least be one subscriber on this channel that has benefited from that. So let us know down there below, everybody.
Well, jumping into dividend increase number 6, we're going to a dividend king at this point here. 59 years of growing dividends. Colgate-Palmolive, ticker symbol CL. Not sexy, not large, but they went from 47 cents to 48 cents. A whopping 2% dividend increase on top of their 2.6% dividend yield. High inflation, high cost, but people keep brushing their teeth and washing dishes, you name it. So Colgate's cash flow continues to roll and flow, baby.
Yeah, I think I care less about this and Colgate-Palmolive because we don't own them, but I wonder what this is going to do for Procter & Gamble next month when they announce their dividend increase. Is it a sign that we should just be expecting a 2 to 4% increase for PG? That's the unfortunate news I get from there. Expect lower increases, but maybe we're wrong.
Let's find out.
And last but not least, Johnson Controls, ticker symbol JCI. This company just always seems to pop up. The massive HVAC company. What, security, or did they sell off the security branch?
I think they still have security.
Yeah. All right. Massive company. HVAC not going anywhere. Ended the week with a 2.9% dividend increase that quarterly dividend from 35 to 36. Again, just like Colgate, nothing. It actually kind of mirrors them. They have a 2.34% yield, 2.9% increase. Just meh, but yeah, the raise, get the raise. I love it, but it's an increase nonetheless. So we made sure we wanted to increase it here.
Guys, that's 7 dividend stocks increasing their dividend income. That's why you buy these companies during these turbulent times. Obviously, we're just going through one of the largest banks that failed, this past Friday. FDIC coming over, taking over, switching hands, switching names. So, hope everybody that was impacted is okay. We're in some interesting time periods. Again, not we haven't been through this before, so buckle up though, right?
Yeah, that's why we focus on Kings, Aristocrats, and other companies that have demonstrated to grow their dividend through good times and bads. So we're in that cycle. We're in the bad times now. We focus on the quality of the companies that have proven that they will continue increasing like they've done it before.
So, Bert, how many dividend increases on this list did you end up receiving?
Well, all right, Lanny, 2 out of the 7. You're right. Qualcomm and General Dynamics. Not bad. Not the best batting average, not the worst. I'll take it.
Hey, you're batting at least in the position 1 through 6, 285.
Yeah. It
Also
might
have
make you a Hall of Famer right now in baseball these days.
I had Oracle and General Dynamics. Now, guys, how many did you have out there in the viewership there? Who else owns Qualcomm, Oracle, AXP? I think there's a lot of American Express shareholders out there. Again, a great company to own. I know I own Visa. Bert, I think you own some Discover.
Oh yeah, we do own Discover. I forgot about that. Yeah, my wife has some
I
Discover.
forget about Discover. Come on.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes some of these set and forgets, they just slip your mind that you own them. Not a bad thing.
Well, guys, we appreciate the love and support. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to our channel. Let's make it happen.
Yep. And remember, everyone, if you're not with us, you're against us, baby.
That was Bert, the Hurt, and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats. Over and out.